A model coordination won't be complete if you are not successfully communicating with the other stakeholders. In our case, taking these issues that we have found in the model, the clashes and other changes and other issues you may found, and share that with the other stakeholders. To do that, Archicad can import and export BCF files for reporting those issues. We want to take it from the point of view of the issue organizer. So in here, you have a list of all the issues we have. And right now we have collected a number of them, the modified issues plus a collection of ventilation issues that we could use internally. Now, for the sake of the external reporting, we're going to bring back the change model check report. And let's bring in that issue we had with the chiller and the wall on the roof level. So what we're going to do is select that specific issue or result from the collision detection, and we're going to create a single issue just for that. And we're going to call this chiller and wall on roof. And let's click on OK. Now Archicad will create a single issue for that. So let me hide this and move this down here. So if you double click on that one, you're going to get the details of the issue, a view, and also the elements that are included. Now let's replace this view. So let's select those elements. And let's get a little closer to the actual issue. And just to clarify it, let's add a cutting plane to that. So what I'll do is I'm just going to move roughly here to the front of the chiller. I'm going to switch on the 3D cut planes. And I'm going to bring one from the right-hand side just to be able to see the actual cut. Click on Finalize. And now let's rotate again just to have that view visible. And then what I'll do simply is to redefine the current view so that the snapshot is reflecting the current view that I have at hand. With that, then I can write a comment. So let's say we put on a comment there. And that will be a note for the mechanical engineer. And because of that, you can add more details to the issue itself. So the issue will have several different details to it that you can fill up right here in the issue organizer or right here on the issue manager. So I can go and say, look, the person who's responsible there will be the mechanical engineer, not knowing better what the name will be. It's open. It's not been resolved quite yet. It's, let's say, medium, and it is actually a clash. There's no due date quite yet, and the rest I'm just going to leave it as the predetermined options we have there. So let's click on OK. And now what I'll do is simply export this issue so that someone can see it in another format. Note that there are some add-ons out there that can link the issue reporting to CDs like BIM Collab and some others. But for now, we're going to use this as a simple BCF export. So the way we're going to do that is by selecting the issue on the issue organizer, then click on Export, and I'm going to drop it into my folder. Note that I'm using the Use External IFC IDs where available, just to make sure that Archicad recognizes the elements that I have in my file as a PLN and matches that to external IFCs so that I can review these in BIM Collab Zoom. So let's keep it with that name and click on Save. Now let's jump back to BIM Collab Zoom. Okay, with BIM Collab Zoom, I will have all those three models, the IFCs of each discipline, including the two for structural and MEP that I also have linked into my Archicad file. So from here, I'll go to Issues, and then I'm going to start by importing or opening a BCF file. Select it. And now you'll see that the issue will be there. Let's increase the size of this. you'll see the picture of it. And when you double click, the model will be cut at the same point, and a preview picture will be added to the issue. So even if you don't find it, at least you'll have a picture to go with. Now, let's say you want to reply to this. So maybe what you want to do is change the point of view. Let's say we go now to this point right here, and we reply by saying this is a reply, and take a snapshot of the current view. Note that you can also annotate these views. So if you click this option here, you may be able to add annotations. Not that we'll need one, but let's say we just annotate this bit and close it. And now the view will be annotated. And let's save that as a reply. So you can keep it with the same name or by saying simply reply. And then we switch back to ArchiCAD. And then from here on the issue organizer, you'll go and say import, select the reply, click on continue. We don't need to locate the PLN because that's the very same file I'm working on. And now what you'll see right here is the preview picture. If you want to see it, then you just need to view image or select view image. That'll be the preview picture. And if you double click on it, then you'll get an update of your 3D view that displays the same angle with the same cut plane. Also, if you check the comments, you'll see where the reply is in the text that was contained in that original reply.